Philippines 2026. Bea is here.
Hi!
Hello.
Magandang gabi!
Ayan.
Kamusta kayo?
Ay, how much Filipino can you speak?
Nag-aral ako ng Tagalog sa universidad. So I really understand talaga. But I'm really working hard to become fluent before especially the Miss Universe competition.
I am amazed. Okay, Bea, I know I have a lot of questions to ask you, but first things first, let me take this opportunity to take a photo of you. You for sure will look great in it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay, Bea, what scenario do you want to be in? Or maybe an occupation you wanted to be, a profession that we can generate through this AI capability of the Honor 600 5G.
A goal of mine growing up was to work for the United Nations. So if you could AI generate me at the UN General Assembly, that would be really amazing.
Okay, bring the subject to the UN General Assembly. Whew. Okay. We'll let the Honor 600 take care of that. But Bea, what is it like to be the Miss Universe Philippines 2026?
It's really been a dream come true. As someone who grew up never really feeling like I fit in until I saw Pia Wurtzbach win the Miss Universe crown in 2015 and then Catriona Gray in 2018. I'm really hoping that my reign could be an inspiration to young girls who feel like they don't fit in everywhere, that you can really make it and it does get better. Talaga.
What advice do you want to send out to aspiring beauty queens, or maybe to those young women who think they do not have, the stereotype of being a beauty queen? What message, what advice would you want to tell them?
My advice is, even if you don't feel like a beauty pageant could really instigate real change, you do have the opportunity to advocate for the issues that you deeply care about. Through the Miss Universe Philippines platform, I've had the opportunity to advocate for our environment, for our LGBT brothers and sisters, and also for youth action in public service. Yeah.
And now, since I see you with the Honor 600 5G phone, you're about to take a selfie. I'm gonna get that photo. I have a photo with a Miss Universe Philippines. But Bea, what are you most excited about upon hearing that there's actually a smartphone that can transform, anything that you're imagining to actual reality, or like a realistic video?
I really truly believe the best way to make your dreams a reality is through manifestation, and with the power of the Honor 600 phone, you can make any dream come into fruition. And every Filipino deserves to live those dreams. So I'm so excited that this is coming to market, that every Filipina out there could imagine herself as a Miss Universe Philippines. And I believe in you, and as does the Honor 600 photo capabilities.
And with that, we are ready to show our final video of the evening, generated, of course, by the Honor 600 5G. Oh, I stopped because...
Wow! And one of the best things about the Honor 600, before I was crowned Miss Universe Philippines, they actually did a video of all of us where we were crowned and sashed. So because that video came true, hopefully this one will as well.
Ooh, maybe we'll go back to this video. I'll send you this video. So, Bea in the UN Assembly. Would love to see this turn into a reality again. Bea, thank you so much. And now, maraming salamat and good luck.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood itong si Bea Milan dito sa kanyang pag-attend dahil kinuha po siyang brand ambassador ng isang cellphone brand na Honor 600. So additional ito na brand endorsement doon sa mga produkto na dati niya nang in-endorse, mga kapolitika, na napag-usapan natin sa ating mga naunang video. So kinuha itong si Bea Milan at meron pa actually siyang mga kasama mga kapolitika. Nakita ko rin itong si Bella Ismael na nandun sa nasabing event ng paglo-launch nga nitong cellphone brand na Honor 600. So yun po yung pinaka-latest ngayon na event or activity ni Bea Milan dito matapos nga na siya yung nanalo bilang Miss Universe Philippines 2026. At mula po dito kay Bea Milan is atin naman pong pag-uusapan yung magiging flight ni Gazini Ganados dahil handa na po ang lahat para sa kanyang paglipad doon sa Thailand sa kompetisyon ng MGI All-Stars 2026 First Edition. So yung mga supporters, mga tagahanga ni Gazini Ganados at kung sino man yung mga nag-aabang sa laban na kanyang sasalihan nga dito sa MGI All-Stars ay iniimbitahan po tayong lahat na pumunta doon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport para sa kanyang send-off dito sa nasabing paliparan. So sabi dito ng The Crown Philippines, join us as we send off Gazini Ganados to represent the Philippines at the MGI All-Stars. Date May 16, 2026. Time 1 p.m. Venue Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1. Bring your flags, banners, and cheers as we give Gazini the loudest, warmest send-off before she takes on the international stage once again. Let us show our full support for our queen. So ito kasi mga kapolitika ay parang tradisyon na ito at kultura na yung mga beauty queen na pinapadala sa mga international beauty pageant competition ay nagkakaroon ng mga pasabog na send-off party sa airport pa lang para mapaingay yung pangalan at the same time ma-boost yung kanilang moral dito sa magiging laban nila sa competition. Pampataas ito, pampahype ng kailang self-confidence na tayo bilang mga Pilipino ay suportado natin yung kanyang laban dito sa mga international beauty pageant competition. Halimbawa na nga lang itong MGI All-Stars. So sino man po yung mga kadalo ay pumunta po tayo dito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport para bilang support dito kay Gazini Ganados sa kanyang maging laban sa MGI All-Stars. So abangan natin yan bukas mga kapolitika. Dahil sigurado na kung pasabog ang maging send-off party ni Gazini dito sa airport natin ay maging pasabog rin yung kanyang arrival doon sa Thailand. Katulad nga ng mga queens natin na nakipag-compete dito sa mga beauty pageant na hineld sa Thailand katulad na lang ng Miss Grand International at yung Miss Universe last year, di ba? So this is a way para ma-boost rin yung confidence ng ating contestant dito sa MGI All-Stars na si Gazini Ganados. And of course, hindi lang si Gazini mga kapolitika yung ating inaabangan, pati na rin yung mga ibang candidate pa ng Pilipinas dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition.